Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. In this module, we are going to learn about the term trial balance. All transactions of financial nature are recorded in the books of accounts. The important books of accounts are journal, ledger, and other subsidiary books. Journal proper and other subsidiary books record all the business transactions originally. With the help of these subsidiary books and journal, we prepare ledger accounts. These ledger accounts have the debit and credit sides. The ledger accounts are balanced. If the credit side exceeds the debit side, the excess is known as credit balance. When the excess of debit side of an account over its credit side shows debit balance. After balancing these ledger accounts, we would like to check the arithmetical accuracy of our accounts, and the purpose of the trial balance is prepared. The objective of preparing trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of business transactions. Trial balance is a statement of balances remaining in each and every ledger account classified as to debit and credit entry balances. It is a statement which shows the closing balances of various ledger accounts. According to the principle of double entry accounting system, the total of the debit side should be equal to the total of credit side. Trial balance is a statement which is prepared with the debit and credit balance of ledger accounts to test the arithmetical accuracy of business transactions. It also may be prepared with the debit and credit total of ledger accounts and also with the balance and total of the ledger accounts. Books of accounts are maintained according to the double entry system, where the debit balance has its corresponding credit balance. So the total of the debit and credit column of the amount column must tally. If the total of debit and credit column is equal, we assume our books of accounts to be arithmetically correct, but it should not be taken it as the conclusive proof of arithmetical accuracy. The important features of trial balance are: trial balance is a statement which is prepared to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business transactions. It is a statement which shows the closing balances of various ledger accounts. Trial balance may be prepared with the balances or totals or balances and total of various ledger accounts. The total of the debit column and credit column of the amount must be equal. In case the debit and credit side of the trial balance are equal, we assume that the principles of double entry system and the assumptions of accounting equation have been observed. The difference between debit side and credit side of the trial balance points out that certain mistakes or errors have been omitted somewhere. If both debit and credit side have the same total, it does not mean that there is no mistakes in the accounting. These are the important features of trial balance. Next, we are going to study the important objectives of preparing trial balance. The main objective of preparing trial balance is to know the arithmetical accuracy of the business transactions. It helps to check whether the transactions are entered in the trial balance or other subsidiary books or in journal or ledger accounts are correct or not. Then second point is it contains the complete information about the transactions. It means trial balance helps to record the complete information, that is the credit balance, debit balance, closing balances, opening balances of various ledger accounts. It also helps to know the closing balances of various ledger accounts. Another important objective of preparing objective and function of preparing trial balance is that it provides the basis for preparing final accounts. The first statement prepared in the final accounting is trial balance. Then with the help of the trial balance, accountant prepare other financial statements. The other financial statements of the accounts are trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. The objective of preparing trading and profit and loss account is to know the profitability of the company. That means whether the company have earned profit or not. Then other important financial statement of the company is balance sheet. The important objective of preparing balance sheet is to know the financial position of the company. What is the current position of the company? Balance sheet is a statement which shows the closing balances of various assets and liabilities of the company. Assets are the economic resources of the company and liabilities are the debts or obligations of the company. Another important function or objective of preparing trial balance is that it is very helpful for making adjustments. While making final accounts, certain adjustments regarding closing stock, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, income received in advance, etc. These expenses can make, or these adjustments can be done in this financial statement. Test of arithmetical accuracy, summarized information of ledger accounts, basis for preparing final accounts, and helpful for making adjustments. These are the important objectives or functions of preparing trial balance.